Hi, you guys. Welcome to video number 2 of this library class. You can see up here is my library. And what we're going to do is continue, this time with the activity. Now, a big part of why we do this class is because when we read, we have to make sure that the words make sense in our mind so that we can understand. And how do we make sure we understand? Well, the thing is that when you are able to explain something, it means that you understand it. So when I ask you a question and you answer me and you say, okay, miss, science is this, this, and that. The skeleton does this, this, and that. Multiplication is this, this, and that. And how do I know? Well, because this and this and this. That reasoning in your mind helps you understand things a lot better. And that's how we develop our mind. Now I'm going to go into these activities to see if we understood. This is still the text that we just read in the previous video, and I'm going to go ahead and go down to the part of the activities. Now, do you remember? These activities are related to the activity that we've read, to the pamphlet where I showed you what everything means. So you can re-watch that video as you do the activities in your notebook. So the first thing you have to do is copy these sentences and choose the word to fill each gap. Remember that a gap is a blank space. So you have 4 sentences. Thrill City opens each day at 10 o'clock or 6 o'clock. Thrill City is close to a station, a motorway. The new aquarium opened this year, last year. There is a special family offer in the spring, the autumn. Now, what happens if you don't remember? You can go back into the reading and reread the information and make sure that you have the correct information. Now, when you go to the second section, more to think about, I'm going to go ahead and make it bigger. Write a sentence to answer each question, and there are 6 questions. Number 1, why do you think the adventure park was built close to a motorway? You have to use your mind and think, why would they put a theme park so close to a highway? Number 2, what time of year can you visit Thrill City? Number 3, why would Thrill City encourage people to print their tickets at home? What do you think about that? 4, where else might you find more information about Thrill City? There's some hints to this in the pamphlet. So if you don't know, you can go back and check. Number 5, why do you think that special offers are available before 13th of July and in the autumn, but not in August? What season is August, you guys? Think about it. Number 6, why do you think there is a family-friendly hotel at Thrill City? What do you think family-friendly is? I talked to you a little bit about that in the previous video, but I also want you guys to use your reasoning, to use your brain to tell me the answers to these questions. And you can write it down, and we can discuss it in Zoom class later in this week. And then the other activities, now try these. Copy these sentences and finish them in your own words. Okay, so the rides are described as the scariest ever because, and you have to give a reason for that. In letter B, the management offers special saver prices in the autumn because, and you finish with your own words. Letter C, the website promises parents that they will have a good time because, you can use the information from the pamphlet to create your own sentences. Make sure that they are your own sentences. Number 2, make a list of 3 ways in which the website tries to persuade you or to convince you to visit Thrill City. Number 3, write a report of a day out at Thrill City. In your report, persuade or convince a friend to go on 2 of the rides mentioned in the website. So you have to write, oh, I went to Thrill City. Of course, this is imaginary work. I went to Thrill City and I visited this ride and it was so cool because, and you have to pick 2 and really convince an imaginary reader, which is going to be me. You have to convince me to go on 2 of the rides that you mentioned on the website. And then number 4, you have to design a poster to persuade people to visit a new water park that is about to open so that you can create the water park in your mind and draw and create something in a piece of paper. It doesn't have to be a really big poster. It could just be a blank piece of paper or a paper from your notebook where you insert colors and everything similar to the activity that we did up here. It has to have information and pictures, and it has to be organized. So I want you to show me what you did next class. How about that? Let's do that next Monday. Let's do this activity for next Monday, so that on Tuesday you can check it with me in the Zoom class, and you can show me the poster that you made. So you have 1 week to do this. That's 7 days, you guys. All right, guys. I'll see you in a later video. Bye-bye.